Okay, folks, example number 4 says, if x is these things, or if x is these numbers. Is that, I don't even know if that's certainly not grammatically correct. If x is from this set of numbers, okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, state whether each fraction increases or decreases in value as x takes on its values in increasing order. I don't know that they could have written that more confusing. Here's what they're saying. As x gets bigger, right, 0, 1, 2, 3, what happens to the value of the fraction? Does it get bigger or does it get smaller? Well, let's see, it all depends on how it simplifies. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually write this thing 4 times. 14 over 12 minus 3 times 0. 14 over 12 minus 3 times 1. 14 over 12 minus 3 times 2. 14 over 12 minus 3 times 3. Now, just before I simplify that stuff, if the numerator stays the same, but the denominator gets smaller, right? Think about what I'm saying. If the numerator stays the same and the denominator gets smaller, what happens to the value of the whole thing? Does it get bigger or smaller? Emma? It gets bigger, right? So you can see the numerator staying the same. It's staying 14, right? But we're going to divide 14 by these denominators. Let's see what happens. Divide 14 by 12 minus 0 is just 12. I'm not going to reduce it right now. I'm just going to leave it there. 14 over 12 minus 3, which is 9. 14 over 12 minus 6, well, that's 6. 14 over 12 minus 9, that's 3. Okay? I'm dividing 14 into 12 parts. I'm dividing 14 into 9 parts. I'm dividing 14 into 6 parts. As x gets bigger, what's happening to the fraction, Maddie? Is it getting bigger or getting smaller? It's getting bigger. Okay? So we would say that it is increasing. Okay? Does that make sense? Everybody happy with that? The way they worded it is confusing. But Emma, that's why I put the instructions in here so that when you see them tonight, you'll know this is what it means. It's just asking you, when I plug in x for each one of these, or when I plug in each one of these x's, does the fraction get bigger or smaller? Okay? All right, good job.